Good afternoon to all of you.
Good afternoon,
Afternoon,
sir.
sir.
How are you?
Fine, sir.
We have met for some days ago and we have missed a lot of days. Anyway, we will come to that. Today, before beginning the class, just I want to read. I had sent a longer message yesterday, isn't it? Have you seen? I sent a lengthy message yesterday. Did you read it, Sainaba?
Sir,
Did you see the message? Switch on the videos, all of you.
Yes, sir.
Switch on the videos. Prajot, did you read it?
Sir.
Okay. Abdul, Rifa, did you read it?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Adil, did you see? So just I want to make you clear about that because we are not meeting, isn't it? We are not meeting personally each other. So I don't know whether you have understood. Melvin, did you understand the message?
Yes,
No.
sir.
Yes, okay. So you can go till I explain if you understood. Attend. You see, this is a message. Reminder to your assignments given in the month of May. The last days to complete is very near. Then the new assignment is coming. Do everything promptly, neatly, and timely. You see, this is a reminder to you. We have divided all your assignments in month ways. Clear? I do not want to make a burden to you, but the things we have to do. This is board exam year. This year also, because of the COVID problems, the exam schedule has changed by the CBSE. So really in this situation, CBSE will give more importance to the written works that we do, writing part. CBSE has already announced that whatever students do, the writing materials will be given importance for the assessment. And attend very carefully. I am spending little time for this. In this board exam year, we have to write minimum one assignment per subject. Minimum one assignment. Each subject should have a board assessment assignment. That I have told you about English. In the same way, you have to write English, Malayalam, Hindi, Maths, Science, Social. 5 assignments we have to write. Clear now? All the assignments around 20 pages. Everything I have explained to you. Out of 20 pages, first 4 pages are separate, same for all. That is a cover page should be, there is no need of, then asking, some students called me and asked me. Cover page, I sent you the format, it should be a colorful one. You can take a printout, no problem. According to the subject, you can take a printout, no problem. Okay? On that, it should be written an assignment in English on topic on Keats and his works. An assignment in science on a topic. Understood? Teacher will give you a topic. That is the head, that is to be typed on the cover page. And at the right bottom, you will write your name, class, don't write ABC, class 10. Then 2021-22. 3 lines. Name, class, year 2021-22. At the bottom as a border you give Dr. Raju Davis International School, Mala. In bold letters at the bottom. As you type there in the board here, isn't it? Like that at the bottom you write a full line, single line. This is the format of cover page. Second page will be a certificate page. The content of the certificate I will send to you. The same model you have to type it. Not writing. Certificate will be typed. and print. If I am sending in a mail, if you can take it as a Xerox, no problem, but it should be neat and clean. You type it one page. Third page is acknowledgement. The content I will send you, you have to fill the blanks there. Your name will be, your name, you have to write topic, only that much. Then content. These four, order is there, order, cover page, certificate, acknowledgement, content. These 4 pages will be same for all. I have sent to you the sample. Am I right? Okay. Then you will write the project. Assignment English, I have told you, after the content, you have to write an introduction to English literature, 2 pages. Then you will write about the biography of your author. Then you will write his major works, 1 page. Then you will choose 2 works, one work with 3 or 4 pages, another work 3 or 4 pages. Then you will write a common conclusion. Then 1 page bibliography. Together 20. Some students ask if it overlaps 20 pages, any problem? No problem. I do not want to tax you more. 20 pages average. That means when you make 20 pages, you will write only 15 pages, isn't it? 4 pages is there. So 20, 22 pages, no problem. It is up to you. And it should be written on A4 sheet. 1 side only you will write, A4 sheet. A4 sheet, actually, this year we have planned to give you, because of the corona, you need not run around. So A4 sheet is ready here. From the office, you will get the information. You can collect the A4 sheet for all the assignments. That is why I told you, you have to write the assignment now in a rough one. From the rough, you will write the fair, isn't it? You cannot write fair directly. First, you have to prepare a rough one. Then from there, you have to write fair. So you can collect the A4 sheet from the school, okay? You can get it for all the whole work. It is there. In this way, I will give you one after another. After English, by 15th July, I will give you the topic about Malayalam and Hindi. After that, one after subject, let me see the topics which are getting over. So by that time, science and social topics will be over. So you will be given in the coming days. So English, Malayalam, Hindi together. Then because those who are writing Malayalam, they don't have Hindi. That is why. Then it will come one after another. So another thing, some students ask me, when shall we submit it? You have given the submission date, isn't it? You see, in the submission means submission in your home, at home. Don't come and submit to me. It is not for me. That means if you keep a particular date to finish, then what will happen? Everything will be finished timely. There are some students, okay, let Josie sir tell submission to school. At that time, I will write. At that time, what happens? You will have to write everything together. Everything will be shabby. So if you keep 20 days for each subject, it will be over. You pack it and keep it there. Clear now? Don't bind it. Keep it there. At the end, I will tell you how to bind it. Clear now? Clear? Are you following me? So,
Sir.
So here I have told you, you see, complete the assignments, internal grade assignments on physical education, general studies, work education. Only three pages you have to write. Only 10 pages you have to write. Its submission is 30th June. That means by 30th June, it is already over. You had to complete that work and keep it in a file there. Pack it and keep it there. That work is over. Clear now? Your work is over. You keep it. You submit it to yourself. You submit it to yourself. Keep it there in your study room. Then you see portfolio means its submission is July 30. I told you from May 1st onwards, every Sunday you make one creative work. I have told you, isn't it? May 1st onwards, so you April 1st, that you will get around 15 weeks, I told you. Every week, one. So 15 articles you will have. One drawing, one painting, one collage, one essay, one short story, one poem, like that. And one your biodata. Biodata will be in the front page. Clear? If you get around 15 pages, including article, paragraph, painting, drawing, collage, all my favorite Messi, my favorite Ronaldo, my favorite, you can make it, no problem. You can make it, beautifully make it. My favorite Neymar, the lost Neymar, the one Messi, you can give a heading, no problem. Yesterday asked, sir, I telephoned to some people and they were saying that they got up at 4 o'clock waiting for Messi. So you are interested. Okay, very good. You can make an article on Messi. You can get the photo cutting from today's paper, isn't it? Messi is taken by all others. You can paste it. You can make it. That can be one sheet. Easy. In this way, around 14, 15, 16 sheets. That work is over. If it is already over, you don't wait for 30th. That work is over. Keep it separate. 2 works are over. Then English, I had given you in the big last month. So you keep it a date by 20th February, 20th July, I will finish my English rough work complete. That work is over. So 15th July, I will give you Malayalam or Hindi. So you can start. By 30th of July, you can finish that one. In this way, side by side your studies, you do these works. Clear now? Clear. This is to make you a disciplined way of doing things. Suppose if you may think that Joseph is giving all the works every day work is there. If you think like that, what will happen? Everything will be coming as a bulk in front of you and you will be burdened. Suppose if you make such a timetable schedule for you, one after another, you are doing it. So it will be a disciplined work. You will be able to do more things within short time. Clear now? Do you feel it as very tougher work?
No, sir.
Very simply you do it. You take it. You see things we think is it is, yes, joyful learning. That is the most important thing. With a joyful mind, when we approach, all the heavy works will become simple. In this way, systematically, one after another, you do it. By October, all your work will be over. Then we have to write one maths record book and science record book. Everything should be done by. Clear now? This, I am planning everything for the whole year. So I make a planning thinking about your situation also. So it 99 no 100% which my plan I give you will be very suitable to you. If you do it in the way, it will be going on. And in your schedule, you keep 1.5 hours. After 10 o'clock to 11:30, you keep the timing for assignments. Every day. So work is easy. I give you a technique. 6 o'clock to 10 o'clock, every day studies. 10 o'clock, you take the workbook. You work on your assignment. Very smoothly you will be able to do without any hard work. Very smoothly you will do it. Systematically you do it. So 6 to 10, it is my revision time. I study all the 5 subjects. 10 o'clock, I finish my work. I go to my assignment work, assessment work. How systematic it is, isn't it? If you make a systematic way of studies, the studies will be very, very easy for you. This will help you to learn next year. I plan everything to prepare you for 12th. Wherever you study, it is for 12th. So that you may prepare a frame of mind to prepare, to do the things. Okay? So this is, so submission is not to me. For the time being, it will be submitted at home. Clear now? Then later I will tell you when you have to bring it to school. That date I will tell you. Okay. So don't worry how to do it, how will you do, everything I will tell you. How to bind, how to keep, how to bring, everything I will tell you. You have to just follow the instructions given to you. You need not worry about anything. Worry is on whose shoulder? It is on my shoulder. Josie sir is taking the worry for you. You have to do only the thing what is told to you. So it will be easy for you. Then another thing. This year, you know, all the exams are scheduled. You will have an S7 examination in the month of November or December. Okay. That is a fully MCQ. SA1, first 50% portion exam, CBSE will conduct, not the school. CBSE will conduct the SA1 examination as a board exam with MCQ only. 90 MCQ, 90 minutes, like entrance exams. In this way, you will have first S7 exam in November or December. See, from CBSE teachers will come, supervision, they will conduct the exam. And this exam will be conducted on OMR sheet, where engineering students and medical students are writing entrance, NEET, G mains, isn't it? They are using OMR sheet. On such OMR sheet, you will write the S7 exam. You don't have that kind of practice. Do you need practice?
No, sir.
You don't want practice. You don't want any practice. You will be able to do it. Okay, very good. Ashik doesn't want any practice on OMR sheet. So, you will be able to write the exam without any practice. Okay, the Ashik is ready. The thing is that OMR sheet will be corrected by computer. Corrected by computer. So if our marking is not clear, what will happen? What will happen? Computer will not read it. OMR sheet is to be marked blackish in the round itself. If it goes outside, computer will not read it. If you don't blacken it fully, then also computer will not read it. So for it, it needs practice, Ashik. It needs practice. We are not correcting the OMR sheet by pen. No. It will be corrected by computer, digital. So if any minute mistake is there, digital computer will not read your paper. So you will lose the mark. So, and another thing is that 90 minutes, 90 questions. You have to read. Some are thinking that MCQ easy. Out of 4, we have to choose only one. But in order to get the answer, you will have to work out. Then only you will get the answer. So read the question, working out, get the answer, and marking it. 1 minute. In the beginning, it is not possible. You will not be able to complete it. So when we get ready, when we get some practice, what will happen? Our speed will increase. How many people are here in the last exam could not complete the unit test exam? They knew the things, but they could not complete. Why? You knew the things. You are confident that you can do it, but you could not complete it. Why? You did not have this practice. When we have the practice, we know the technique, we improve the speed. So, in view of that, we will conduct 1 or 2 exams like that with MCQ. Is it needed?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
1 or 2 MCQ exams we will conduct. So you will get the idea how to do it. So if you commit any mistake, we will be able to correct you. So in the S7 exam, there will be no mistakes and you will be able to finish your things. So we will conduct, we have to see your speed also. Nirupama, am I right? We want to see your speed, how to do it. So we will conduct next month. I will give you date. Tentatively next month, we will conduct one MCQ test. That is not Google form. I will send you a copy of the OMR sheet. You have to take the Xerox of it. In that you have to mark it. Clear now? You get to scan and take one print. And on that you will mark it and you will send answer sheets. So I will be able to know how do you do it. Clear now? Accordingly, I can rectify you. So we will conduct one with 30 questions, 30 minutes. So I will be able to know how many you are completing it. One more I will conduct later, 60 questions, 60 marks, like that, 60 minutes. In this way, we need 1 or 2 practice. So you will be confident. Clear now? That means when we go to the exam hall, we should not be afraid. We should not have any tension. You should go, my children should go with a free mind. As you are coming every day for the class, you have to go for the exams. Free mind.
Yes, sir.
So in order to get the free mind before, you have to train your mind, isn't it? First you train your mind. Messi cannot make the goal, isn't it? If he is not trained, isn't it? Ronaldo could not make the goal, will not be able to make the goal if he is not trained. Training is very important. So the date I will tell you later. We will conduct in the next month. We will conduct an MCQ. So the portion I will keep it June, July portion. We have already done one June, July portion. So you can make this exam is kept in order to read the textbook. I am giving a small portion. You have to read the whole textbook. Because since it is MCQ question can come from any part of the textbook. So reading the textbook is very important. Clear now? So you can make your reading from now onwards, June portion. Start reading June portion. Prepare very well. Okay. These are, any doubt is there about the circular now?
No,
If
sir.
you have any doubt, you can ask me. Since you are not coming, so you may have any doubt, you can. So as per I give you the date, do it as it is. I tell you, I am taking, Josie sir is taking the worries, the troubles. You have to just move freely according to the instructions given. Okay, then you will reach the place. You see, when the minister goes, a pilot vehicle will be going, isn't it? What the pilot is doing, pilot vehicle will remove all the traffic block. The pilot motorcycle is taking all the risk, making the traffic clear. So minister's vehicle will be going very faster. So your pilot is going in front. The pilot will clear all the places. You have to just drive smoothly behind. You will reach the place. Okay. So let us come to the lesson. We were with Anne Frank, page number, I think 53. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Anne Frank, Mr. Keesing, the maths teacher gave her the second punishment to write an assignment on an incorrigible chatterbox. Incorrigible chatterbox means a chatterbox, a talkative student who never gets corrected. After number of corrections, after number of punishments, the child is not rectifying herself. That is what is called incorrigible chatterbox. And you see, Anne Frank, as punishment for talking in class, write an essay. Title of the essay, Meghana, title of the essay is Quack, Quack, Quack. Isn't it? Quack, quack, quack. This is the title. Theme is incorrigible chatterbox. Clear now? Theme is incorrigible chatterbox. But you have to write the heading quack, quack, quack. Clear now? Let all my brothers and sisters of the Wonderland, please show your faces. Show your faces. Savio, Johan, John Samuel. Open it. Adidi, in Parur there is no much power. A weak internet. Internet is very powerful there. I know Parur very well. Okay. So the class roared. Here means hearing this punishment, the class laughed aloud. I had to laugh too. I also thought to laugh with the students, though I had nearly exhausted my ingenuity. Underline, I have exhausted my ingenuity. I have lost my integrity. I have lost my identity. All these meanings you can utilize it. On the topic of the chatterboxes. You see, in front of all the students, the teacher called me, "You chatterbox, write an essay on chatterbox." I became under shame. I felt shame in front of all. In front of all, I am called as chatterbox. I suffered. I wrote an essay on chatterbox. When I presented this one, again the teacher called me as incorrigible chatterbox. You write an essay on your sound. What is your sound? Your sound is quack, quack, quack. I felt ashamed. I felt ashamed. My energy is lost. My integrity is lost. My identity is lost because of these two comments. Chatterbox, incorrigible chatterbox. Your name is quack, quack, quack. Isn't it? Like duck. Like duck. It was time to come up with something else. Underline. This is for you. From this from this event, from this moment, you see, from this event of mockery by the math teacher, from this moment of shyness, Anne Frank decided one thing. I have to do something, Sainaba. I have to do something to achieve a better result. Anne Frank reminds each one of you, you have lost certain marks in the previous exam. Today, I decide in the next MCQ, I will do something. Clear now? Clear now? I will do something. As Anne Frank decided. Anne Frank thought, yesterday my math teacher called me chatterbox. I felt ashamed. And he asked me to write an essay. I wrote it. When I brought it today, he called me incorrigible chatterbox. Talathericha chatterbox. How many times I have told you to correct and you never hear my words. That is the meaning, incorrigible chatterbox. Sometimes some people tell about some student, not about you, some student, talema taladurichu. Alle, talema taladurichu. Paranya kekat. Arjun, isn't it? Etra paranyal kekilla. That is called incorrigibleness. How many times I have told you, study, study, study. And they were killed by the father swan. Here, Mr. Keesing was the father swan. Duckling is who? Anne Frank. And Anne Frank says, sir, it is my nature. I got it from my mother to speak, to be talkative. Why are you killing me? That is the content of the poem. Clear now? Got it? And seeing this, he read the poem. He read the poem to the class, adding his own comments. He read and he made the comments on that. And to several other classes as well. In the coming classes, he made comments about this, appreciated the poem. He could not understand that. He appreciated that. Since then, I have been allowed to talk and have been assigned any extra work. Underline. Since then, I have been allowed to talk and have not been assigned. From that day onwards, Mr. Keesing allowed me to quack in the class, to talk in the class. Permitted. And Mr. Keesing never gave her any punishment. On the contrary, Mr. Keesing's always making jokes on these days. And later, Mr. Keesing began to talk in the class. Instead of Anne Frank, the teacher was making funny talks in the class. Clear now? With this behavior, she changed Keesing. She changed Keesing. Clear? So this is the content of the poem. Read the lesson once again and write the questions. Page number 54. 124. Page number 54. 124. Put the circle. Oral comprehension check. 124. Page number 51, 1 and 2. 5 questions. 2 marks type. 5 questions. 2 marks type. Today it is Monday, Friday. Friday, file it. Okay? Clear? Okay, do your works. Okay, thank you.